Planning for a refreshing hiking journey is one thing, but exploring adventurous trails requires skill and experience. Here's some effective hiking gear to spice up your adventure with maximum practicality and portability. And what if you can get those gear items right from Amazon? And guess what? Within 20 bucks. This is very much possible. And that's why our today's video is on some budget hiking gear essentials on Amazon under $20.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
Start with this G4 free hiking backpack, a foldable day pack to carry all those gear items on a day hike. We know that in a $20 gear list, no one expected a backpack, but this one offers some really great features for the money. Made with durable and water-resistant polyester materials, this backpack is strong enough to carry everything anyone will need for a day hike. Foldability may not be much practical for hiking adventures, but it can be a good treat for some other scenarios. Main compartment of the day pack can hold more or less every necessary items for a day hike, while its front pocket can hold smaller gear and gadgets. Number 8. Avoalre Athletic Running Socks. Here are the Avoalre Athletic Running Socks, a comfortable pair of socks to keep those feet satisfied on your hike. This pair of ankle socks comes in different sizes and color options to fit the best match of their user. And as these socks were skillfully crafted with an intelligent blend of Cool Max cotton, nylon, and lycra, these socks can offer an unmatched hiking experience with top-notch breathability, non-slip design, freedom of movement, soft feel, and overall comfort. In addition, for those rough and longer runs, this pair of socks offers exceptional cushion support for 360-degree protection of your feet. Addition of Cool Max fabric keeps your feet cool during running or hiking, and provides 30% more airflow than conventional ones. And as they're cushioned on every vital part, users won't have to worry about blisters and uncomfortable feet on long hiking or running sessions. Their mesh lining also contributes to such amazing breathability, keeping those feet dry and preventing bad odors even after a long trek. And to top all these off, these socks are machine washable for a low effort maintenance. LifeStraw is a reliable name, and with this Peak series, they took its reality to another level, delivering the cleanest drinking water on the go. We all know that hiking is all about carrying as minimally as possible while getting the most output from them, and it seems like this filter straw follows that path pretty well. With an enhanced microfilter, this one prevents clogging and maintains a continuous flow. Then comes its promising filtration method that ensures protection against bacteria, parasites, microplastics, and other harmful elements found in random water sources. Here's the basic fire starter kit from TrailBuddy to fulfill all your fire starting needs during a hike. This one's simple, with the ferrocerium rod and a striker tied with a reliable paracord. A perfect amount of ferrocerium mixture makes sure it's proper temperature and spark, regardless of any weather conditions. And yeah, unlike most others in the market, this one's long enough to deliver at least 20,000 reliable sparks, making it more dependable during adverse scenarios. Its striker is also a promising one, with an 8CR13 MOV steel, which can be easily sharpened into a knife if needed. Next up, we have this Gearlight S500, an effective headlamp to accelerate your hikes during nighttime. Now, unlike its peers in this budget range, each pack of this headlamp comes in double. This means you'll always have an extra one for an emergency. And if anyone thinks of it as a bulk to carry, let us tell you how lightweight it is, weighing only 3 ounces, including batteries. A bright lighting performance will illuminate the trail, while its intelligent design will let its user rotate this for up to 45 degrees, making it more compatible for those hikes. Weather resistance? Well, you get that as well, as it's well suited for rain, snow, or any demanding situations. Hiking can be pretty tiresome, we know that. So here's the Extremus portable camping stove to take a break and make something delicious during a hike. One thing everyone will appreciate about this pocket stove is its foldable design, and obviously it's ultra lightweight, making it convenient enough to keep anywhere. In addition, a super efficient burner can boil water within minutes, while its expandable cooking surface can easily hold larger pots if needed. And as it's compatible with most fuel canisters on the market, users won't have to worry about its fuel. And lastly, it comes with a storage bag and utensils for convenient carrying and ease of management. Just like everyone else, we were also shocked to see this TrailBuddy trekking poles for less than $20. This collapsible pair of trekking poles to support you on the trails. Collapsible form factor makes them portable enough while its lightweight yet ultra durable build material tags them as reliable to keep users balanced on those uneven trails. They also feature interchangeable mud baskets, snow baskets, and rubber tips, making them compatible with different kinds of trails. Oh yes, we just cannot forget how handy its cork grips are with padded straps and moisture-wicking traits during sweaty situations. Within $20, one may not find a pair of hiking boots, but these Camel closed-toe sandals are quite a good option within that budget range. Let us explain why. First thing anyone will notice after wearing is its ethylene vinyl acetate sole, which is lightweight with superior cushioning for maximum comfort on the trails. In addition, an ergonomically designed shape and compression-molded EVA footbed take that comfort to a higher level. Then comes its anti-slip outsole, providing enough contact with the ground and reducing shocks to the minimum level. Here's the Thrive Mini First Aid Kit, a vital one to carry on a hiking adventure. Its compact size will surely make an excellent first impression, while its superior storage utilization will take that even further. Essential equipment like scissors, tape, safety pins, and cotton buds are included for your convenience. On the other side, it packs most of those critical medical supplies, like burn gel, sterile alcohol pads, 3 different sizes of Band-Aids, and so on. And to top everything off, the carrying case is super durable and water resistant, making it more suitable for rugged adventures. So, that was our list of some budget hiking gear essentials on Amazon under $20. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comment section, and please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.